वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता प्रमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सप्तकोटिकण्ठा कलकलनिनादकराले द्विसप्तकोटिभुजेन्द्रका करकरवाले ये बोले माँ तुम्ही अबले बहुबलधरिणी नमामि धरिणी त्रिभुवनवाहिनी मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
Thank you. You all are requested to please take your seats. Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Kalraj Mishra Ji, Union Cabinet Minister, MSME, Government of India. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Uttar Pradesh Technical University, Professor Dr. R.K. Khandal. Vice Chairman, Shri Atul Garg Ji, Treasurer, Shri S.P. Gupta Ji, Advisor, Dr. S.P. Sharma, Dr. S.P. Mishra, Directors of various institutes, distinguished guests, members of the faculty, staff, and young graduates. On behalf of all personnel of Krishna Engineering College, Ghaziabad, I welcome you all to the second annual Convocation 2015. Convocation is always a day of rejoicing, for it marks the conclusion of an educational journey and the commencement of another more uncertain and more difficult part of man's quest for a better life and future. Now, may I request Professor Dr. Gautam Chatterjee, Director Krishna Engineering College, to please come forward to welcome the dignitaries. Now, I request Director Sir to present bouquet to our Chief Guest, Honorable Shri Kalraj Mishra Ji. Thank you, sir. I request Director Sir. Thank you, sir. I request Director Sir to present bouquet to our Honorable Professor Dr. R.K. Khandal, Vice Chancellor, UPT. Thank you, sir. Now I request Director Sir to present bouquet to Honorable Vice Chairman Shri Atul Garg Ji. Thank you, sir. I also request Director Sir to present bouquet to Honorable Treasurer Shri S.P. Gupta Ji. Thank you. I request Director Sir to present bouquet to Honorable Advisor Professor Dr. S.P. Mishra.
I request the Honorable Vice Chancellor, UPTU, Professor Dr. R.K. Khandal to declare the convocation program open.
In the honor of Sri Mantriji and the Governing Council of this institute, as the Vice Chancellor of UP Technical University, I am very pleased to declare the convocation open.
Thank you, sir. I request Professor Dr. Gautam Chatterjee to present the institutional annual report.
Honorable Chief Guest Shri Kalraj Mishra Ji, Union Cabinet Minister, MSME, Government of India, Professor Dr. R.K. Khandal, Vice Chancellor, Uttar Pradesh Technical University, Lucknow, Honorable Shri Atul Garg, Vice Chairman, Krishna Engineering College, Honorable Shri Sunil Gupta, Treasurer, Krishna Engineering College, Professor Dr. S.P. Mishra, Advisor, Krishna Group, Dr. Manoj Goyal, CAO, Krishna Group of Institutions, esteemed guests, deans, heads of the department, members of faculty and staff, young graduates, ladies and gentlemen. It's my proud privilege to welcome you to the second convocation 2015 of Krishna Engineering College, at which 418 students graduated in June 2014 will be felicitated with degrees and with the undergraduates with certificates of meritorious achievements. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to present before you a quick rundown of the various academic, cultural and social achievements of the Institute for the academic year 2014-15. Within a span of 11 years, the college has established its credential as an institution of repute and has grown well to emerge as one of the top colleges of UP Technical University, which started with the 226 students in 2004 and now has 2,731 students on its roll in 2014-15. The main focus during the year has been establishing skill development incubator, enrichment of research and academic processes through innovating teaching learning methodology, technology assisted classrooms, advanced labs, highlighting knowledge as power via concept building classes in different area of interest, participation of more number of students in live and currently functional projects, enhanced visibility of KEC through staying digitally connected, infrastructural development and wholehearted contribution in NSS activities. Krishna Engineering College runs with a motto of inspired learning with a vision to the turnout technocrats who will be driven by passion, curiosity, engagement and dreams when they leave the portals of the college. Inspired learning focuses on the handiwork of our faculties who aim at better academic dispensation through a number of rational incorporations in lecture plans, providing sharpened viewpoints through animated classes and focusing on industry demanded topics. The structured learning has resulted into the implementation of pathway for development through mentoring of students and generating forward-looking students projects. To have more industry connect, 3 to 5 lectures have been introduced in each subject taught, covering other than syllabus topics. Digital Connect, that is state connected, provides insight of KEC activities and estimates real-time improvements and various achievements of KEC via various social networking platform and student-centering college website. It offers small groups of faculty mentors and students to undertake projects which help improve the college functionality. Some of the recent projects which supporting the institute goals which were accomplished by the student groups and currently functional are e-inventory management system, KEC blog, online examination system, anonymous online feedback system, network restructuring, registrar automation system, admission cell management system and HR portal. To enhance the academic processes, there have been remarkable infrastructural development during last 1 year. Notable among them include commissioning of newly constructed large workshop practices lab, setting up of hardware repair and assembly labs in mechanical, computer science and electronics departments, departmental library for first year, installation of CCTVs in all the floors of academic blocks and hostels, installation of LCD projectors and laptops in all the 52 classrooms to offer animated topics during lecture classes, commissioning of firefighting system on all the floors, cooling ducts for all classroom and faculty rooms. I am also glad to share that we have an incorporated policy of skill development among our students, and recently we have signed MOU with NISBERD, Ministry of MSME, Government of India, to establish skill development incubator in Krishna Engineering College. Currently, skill development certification programs are underway through the incubator in mechanical and electronics departments to specifically provide training to students in CNC machine for programming and operation and PCB manufacturing processes. The best way to predict the future is to create it, and Krishna Engineering College strongly believes and encourages students in becoming an entrepreneur, to build their ideas into reality. The students are given comprehensive support to emerge as entrepreneurs, and all their business proposals are considered for company registration, legal support, seed money to start the venture, and office space. During the current academic year, 10 such projects by various students groups have already been selected, and each of them has been registered under Company Act. One student already has been allotted the office space and the seed money to start his business for manufacturing solar cells. To encourage many more students to follow the path of entrepreneurship, two simultaneous approaches have been devised. Firstly, conduction of regular entrepreneurship development programs and entrepreneurship awareness camps. And secondly, restructuring of minor and major projects of students by providing them strict mentoring and guidance cycle through a written and established path of yielding technical result. When students are able to successfully complete the innovative projects, a streak of entrepreneurship automatically gets emboldened, which not only complies with the university norm, but also gives them confidence to build team and achieve results. It is very well said that the curiosity is the mother of all inventions. With this motto, to sharpen the concepts, generate curiosity, awareness on latest technological developments, scientific progress, and newly launched gadgets among the students, a concept of Tech Guru classes has been introduced in the curriculum. These classes are conducted branch-wise once every fortnight in interactive fashion, where speaker can be a faculty or a student. Big push in placement is yet another endeavor by KEC team. The underlying motive is to groom the students and train them appropriately to make them industry ready. To achieve the objective, training has been made student-centric and an ecosystem has been developed wherein the students are trained in 4 different phases during second and third year only, so that they can focus on major project and campus placement drives during the final year. Phase 1 training is imparted in second year, comprising of soft skill training that includes confidence building, extempore talks, removing stage fright, personal grooming and dressing etiquette, etc. Phase 2 to Phase 4 training is imparted during third year and includes 1 month rigorous aptitude training, 1 month training on GDPI and C++ irrespective of the branch during summer break of June-July, and 9 days branch related concept classes to ensure smooth passage of students during technical rounds of selection process. For the 2016 batch students of Krishna Engineering College, the Phase 2 training has already been concluded on 28th of February, and their Phase 3 training will commence in the coming 15 June onward. The students of Krishna Engineering College are encouraged to explore their inner potential in the field of art and craft, designing, sports, NSS work and cultural activities with the support of college resources. The talent of students has been harnessed for campus improvement, and that is how 46 walls in the college premise have been converted into the piece of artwork by our young and budding students.
Very good.
Also, I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate the students for organizing a 4-day annual College Fest Revamp 2015 under the mentorship of faculties that comprised of 47 events of sports, cultural and technical arenas, out of which 12 events were conducted for inter-college competition. And KEC NSS team is a group of volunteer and dedicated students who toil for social causes. A number of activities have been taken up by our NSS team during the current academic year, which include cleanliness drive at Beaconpur village, Duhai, 1 week road safety program at Mohan Nagar intersection, 1 day special camp at Pusht Ashram, Hindal, clothes distributed to the needy people near Ghaziabad railway station, blood donation camp in collaboration with Rotary Club, donating 359 units of blood in a single day, and construction of 5 toilets for girls in a nearby village called Chhajjupur Dohana of Hapur district. To match the talent, enthusiasm and vigor of students, the college management has kept up with the infrastructure improvement. The first and foremost were the hostel facilities, which included creation of zero-fly zone dining areas, automated kitchens, 24-hour availability of Wi-Fi, warm water and RO purified drinking water. The development of 4 eateries, namely Krishna Cafe, Krishna Mini Canteen, Krishna Milk Bar and Juice Corner during the current year has ensured availability of healthy food, since 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. in the evening. A medical cell has been established in the college along with 24 hours availability of ambulance, which is freely accessible to all AC students and personnel. Krishna Engineering College has also executed the following responsibilities which were given by the UPTU, that is Evaluation Center, Help Desk for UPSEE 2015 and Exam Center for UPSEE. With this, I complete the progress report of the college, which could be entirely possible due to the visionary and nurturing philosophy of the management. We are aware that 11 years is a short period of growth of an institution of higher technical education and that the journey has just begun and we have a long way to go. I express my deep gratitude to the Honorable Shri Kalraj Mishra ji, Union Cabinet Minister MSME, and Professor Dr. R.K. Khandal, Honorable Vice Chancellor UPTU, for honoring us by their presence on this solemn occasion, and to the students who have made us proud. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Director Sir to kindly introduce Honorable Vice Chancellor UPTU, Professor Dr. R.K. Khandal, to the elite audience.
Not needed, madam. Not needed. Let us go ahead.
Sir, we will not take more than a minute, but a person like you must be introduced to our students.
Okay.
It's my proud privilege, students, to introduce you to a very prominent academician, Professor R.K. Khandal,